Did you know Manhattan Beach is home to some of California's best-kept secrets? From quaint cafes tucked away in alleyways to hidden art installations, there's more than meets the eye. Hi, I'm Darius, a realtor in Southern California. Let's uncover these local favorites together. Manhattan Beach offers pristine sands and perfect waves for surfing enthusiasts. Whether you're sunbathing or playing beach volleyball, the shoreline is a haven for relaxation and fun, and the iconic Manhattan Beach Pier offers stunning ocean views. The pier isn't just for sightseeing, it's a gateway to ocean adventures. Try your hand at fishing or simply enjoy a leisurely stroll. Or how about taking a ride on a sailboat? The sunsets here are nothing short of magical, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink. Explore Manhattan Beach's diverse culinary scene, from seafood shacks to gourmet dining. Savor the best fish tacos and indulge in craft cocktails at local hotspots. The vibrant farmers market is a must-visit for fresh produce and unique flavors. Local eateries offer a taste of the community's heart and soul. Whether you're craving a casual bite or a fine dining experience, there's something for every palate. Discover the hidden gems that make this beach town a foodie's paradise. Engage in thrilling outdoor activities like biking along the Strand, a scenic path with ocean views. Discover the best hiking trails offering breathtaking vistas of the coastline. Adventure is around every corner in Manhattan Beach. For a unique perspective of the coastline, try paddleboarding or kayaking. These activities offer a serene escape and a chance to connect with nature. Embrace the thrill of exploring the waters of Manhattan Beach. By exploring Manhattan Beach's hidden gems, you'll uncover a world of adventure and relaxation. Whether it's the culinary delights or the outdoor activities, there's something for everyone. Now it's your turn to experience it all firsthand. Well, that's it in a nutshell. Thanks for watching, and if you like this content, feel free to hit subscribe. And be sure to make it a wonderful day.